y'all, this is Jill Martin. We are at the Museum of Appalachia this morning. It is one of my very favorite places on the whole planet. There's so much to do at the museum. You can literally come here all year long and experience so much Appalachian culture. But today, we're highlighting something besides the culture, and that's the great Appalachian food. I think we all love Appalachian recipes. So come on in. So I'm back here in the kitchen at the Museum of Appalachia, and I'm with Christy, and she's in charge of all the amazing recipes and all the magic that happens in this kitchen. So Christy, tell us, what kind of food do you typically serve?
We do a lot of things I think that you'd find maybe at your grandma's house on Sunday, like chicken and dumplings, meatloaf, roast beef. Of course, we do potatoes every day, usually mashed or some sort of potatoes. Pinto beans is a staple, so always doing pinto beans. So, just a lot of comfort foods.
Really good stuff.
Yeah, with lots of butter.
Yeah, with lots of butter. So how do you decide which recipes that you're going to serve each day in the restaurant?
It really depends. Sometimes I come in and it depends on really how I feel that day, or maybe the weather. If it's cold, you want to do something yummy, comfort food, like a really good casserole. If it's hot, something out of the garden, which we do sandwiches.
So I know people come here all year round, and I love to come here all year round, but in the fall, we especially think of great food.
We have a fresh apple cake that people absolutely love. Pecan pies, pumpkin pies. We do an apple stack cake. You don't find those very often anymore. There's a lot of favorites for the fall.
And you get here early every morning.
Yes, really early.
All these recipes come together.
I'm usually here about 6, at least by 6 in the morning. The restaurant is from 11 to 2 that we serve hot food. And usually from 2 to 3, we'll serve like sandwiches, pinto beans, or soup.
Okay, so Christy, I know there's a lot of tradition behind these recipes. So what really inspired you, and where do you get your recipes from?
Okay, that would be my sweet mom. Of course, she's passed on now, but I was the baby of 6. She always raised a big garden, so she taught me how to can. And of course, she cooked us meals every day, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So she's the one that
taught you all these great recipes.
Yes, and it's just important. It's the love that goes in to the food that you cook. That's important.
And you can tell it when you eat here. It's always amazing.
That and butter.
And butter. Yeah. Okay, so here's the real question. Are you a measurer? Do you measure everything out, or you just have the feel?
Oh my goodness, no. I'm terrible. I do not measure anything. I go by taste and looks only. So people ask for my recipes, and I'm like, oh my goodness, I don't know how to write down a recipe. I'll just have to come to your house and fix it. I don't know how.
Christy, thank you so much for letting us come visit your kitchen this morning.
Thank you, Jill. It's been my pleasure. Now I need Jens to go so I can get my dumplings dropped and get these people fed today.
Thank you. Guys, you have got to come out to the Museum of Appalachia and try this amazing food. I can promise you that the apple stack cake is to die for. So don't wait, just come.